Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today on Qualcomm Pulse, we're diving into some interesting market activity that's got investors buzzing around one of our favorite tech stocks. Qualcomm, or QCOM for short, has seen a significant uptick in bearish sentiment within the options market. That's right, folks, when it comes to betting against Qualcomm, put contracts are flying off the shelves. We're talking about 5,938 puts traded, and that number surpasses average expectations by a whopping 10%. Now, we all know that investor caution is always a good sign for companies like Qualcomm, but in this case, it seems like investors might be getting a little too nervous. The most popular options contracts right now are the July 2025 155 puts and the June 2025 115 puts. These two contracts make up nearly 1,300 of the total put volume. And what's driving all this bearish activity? Well, according to our analysis, it looks like investors are positioning themselves ahead of Qualcomm's upcoming earnings report, which is set to be released on April 30th. Now, when we look at the put-call ratio here on Qualcomm Pulse, we can see that it stands at a strong 1.61. That means there's currently more interest in putting your money down against QCOM than there is in betting on its stock price going up. And if that wasn't enough, we're also seeing a surge in at-the-money implied volatility. ATM-IV has jumped by over 5 percentage points today. This increase in uncertainty or expectations of future volatility could be a sign that investors are getting nervous about Qualcomm's prospects. But as always on Qualcomm Pulse, we like to keep things balanced and look at both sides of the story. So, what does this mean for QCOM stock? Well, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. As we move forward, one thing is clear. Qualcomm Pulse will be keeping a close eye on this developing story and bringing you all the latest updates. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to follow us on social media for the latest news and analysis from Qualcomm's leading experts. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.